Hi, boys and girls. As we discussed yesterday, the first activity that you need to complete if you have not completed it yet would be the Elements of a Story worksheet. Again, these worksheets are found in your red Duotang, okay? I will go through the points with you again. In the settings section, you need to tell me where the story is taking place. There are 3 questions at the top of that section. In the settings section, you should be able to answer those 3 questions. In the character section, you have to name me the main characters in your story. You have to tell me what the character traits are of this character. Remember, character traits is, are they kind? Are they funny? You have to tell me what they look like. So name me 3 things, like blue eyes, brown hair, short. And you have to tell me why they're important. The rising event is the conflict. So it's the problem. Is the problem with the self? Is the problem with others? Is the problem with nature? What is the problem? What happened? Okay, that's what you tell me in that section. In the outcome section, how does the story end? So how will you have this story end? In the theme, I want you to answer all 5 questions in that section, okay? Basically, this section, you just have to tell me, is your story in the real world? Is your story in a fake world? How or what message are you trying to come across? Is this a fun adventure? Is it a scary adventure? Is it about friendship? Okay. In the climax, how will the characters get out of the problem? So you had stated your problem in the rising event action setting. Now you have to tell me how are they going to get out of this problem? And the falling event, are there any other problems the main characters go through? Okay, so you should be able to finish everything in your Duotang, these 5 element worksheets, and then move on to the Geronimo activity, which is the Curse of the Cheese Pyramid. Okay, so on Monday, I'll review all your work, and then afterwards I'll stamp it so that we can all move on to the next section. Have fun!